third one is a female. Looks just like the first one, but slightly smaller. Just slightly smaller. Good morning. It is March 13th. It is 6:55 a.m. Monday morning. So far, 3 puppies were whelped. All these 3 puppies, females. So excited. They're all so beautiful. 2 are pretty much like red, caramel red abstract with white markings, tuxedo-like. The second one is all cream. 3 females so far. Lola's doing really well. Gave her some Castor. Doing very well. All these puppies. The firstborn is wearing a dark purple. And she's right under here. This one's wearing a light purple. I'll show you. Here she is right there with a dark purple. And this one's wearing red. Oh, let's bring it back here. Bring them all here so they could nurse. Oh, she's walking. Seattle.